See, for any insurance company, the main function is underwriting, because if we do correct underwriting, sound underwriting, prudent underwriting, then we can be sure that company will go in a long way, company will maintain the growth, and company can survive for a longer time. Underwriting is the most important uh, department of an insurance company. IRDA has issued guidelines to file the products first in 2008, then revised guidelines were given in 2016. IRDA mandates that all insurance companies should file product before selling into market with IRDA. Earlier guidelines were file and use. Now the recent guidelines of 2016 is use and file guidelines. There is a difference. So whatever products were filed earlier with IRDA and approved by IRDA need not to be filed again. But products which are new, which are developed uh, recently, are supposed to be filed with IRDA. Now IRDA has given distinction that products which are retail or which are uh, commercial products, there are two categories depending upon who is buying the product which corporates or entities are buying. Those products are commercial products. It may be a shopkeeper policy, it may be a policy to factory, or it may be a policy to workman compensation, whatever. I mean, depending upon who buys it. If it is an individual, uh, it is not a commercial product, it is a retail product. If it is bought by, purchased by entity, then it is a commercial product. So this is the difference. Now, all retail products can be sold, all simpler products can be sold uh, by insurers directly into market, and simultaneously these products should be filed with IRDA. When we file products with IRDA, IRDA takes 30 days times to respond. If they raise any query, then these queries are to be replied back within 15 days by the insurance company. So this is the procedure. What IRDA is having concern is that policyholders should get fair price. They should be given clear understanding as what is covered, what is not covered. So IRDA wants that companies should use simple language. No jargon should be used by these companies, and insurers should tell clearly to the policyholders as what is covered, what is excluded in clear terms. Standard products should be made, language should be simpler, all companies should use standard languages only, and pricing of a product should be uh, should go with the risk. I mean, it should be a valuable product. There should be a real risk transfer in the product. There should not be any alternative risk arrangement or guarantee type of risk. IRDA does not want all these. Product should be designed in such a way that revenue collected by product should be sufficient to take care of the futuristic claims. IRDA also wants that a committee is to be formed at corporate level, head office level. That committee PMC should take care of every minute detail. Committee should get first satisfied. Yes, this is the product. Price is okay. Actuarial certification is there. Certificate by lawyer is there. compliance is good. So having satisfied, this committee will submit product to CEO, CEO will sign it, and finally product will be submitted to IRDA. So, in nutshell, this is the procedure, and IRDA wants that company should remain solvent. So, 1.5, 150% is the solvency ratio. However, concern is that at present the current scenario is not good. Companies are incurring very high underwriting losses, and companies as well as government and IRDA, everybody is concerned as how to improve the situation. So, in nutshell, these are the guidelines of underwriting, and I would appeal students to go through the underwriting book, chapter number 5 and 6, where all these guidelines are given. Uh, Nowadays, it is a global market. We are getting FDI from foreign companies. At present, FDI is allowed up to 74%. Government is planning soon to allow 100% FDI also. Moreover, government has given very high boost to insurance companies, in the sense they have initiated various government sponsored schemes like Pradhan Mantri बीमा सुरक्षा योजना, प्रधानमंत्री जन धन योजना, प्रधानमंत्री फसल बीमा योजना, then weather based crop insurance, राष्ट्रीय स्वास्थ्य बीमा योजना, universal health insurance. All these initiatives taken by government is really providing a good support to insurance companies. Each insurance company is having appointed actuary. The job of actuary is to see that product is well designed, terms are well defined, and product is having a fair price, because it is the responsibility of appointed actuary to see that everything is in order. So actually, people, they analyze the financial implication of the risk. They decide whether this product will stand of its own or not. So actually, role is very important. Then there is chief underwriting officer in the company who is required to check and confirm the wordings that company is using in describing the cover, etc. So he is the person who will check whether product is in conformity with the board approved policy or not, because each company is having its own underwriting policy. Then there is chief financial officer. His role is to confirm that commission built into product is in line with the regulatory uh, stipulation. He is also to confirm that accounting for the product premium and claims shall be done in accordance with accounting rules. Then there is chief marketing officer also in the committee. He decides as what will be the targeted premium, what will be our market, because more or less rates are not only depending upon technical issues, but rates are depending upon total volume company wants to achieve. Then there is chief risk officer. He is also important. He is there to see whether products is having a real risk management framework. He is to coordinate with actuary, chief underwriting officer, and other product stakeholders in the company. Then there is a role and responsibility of reinsurance department also, because the product which we are developing, our insurance company is developing, if there is any uh, risk, the company may not be able to pay the claims, so they should go for reinsurance also. So initially it is decided as how much portion we will retain and how much portion it will be given to reinsurance. There is compliance officer whose role is to see that product is having total compliance with the IRDA guidelines. So all these things are to be done before filing a product with IRDA. Thank you very much. Underwriting subject is very interesting. Go through the book. If you find any difficulty in understanding, come back to me, mohanvatnani@gmail.com. Thank you.